Hello, everyone. When working with reports in the Bold Reports server, opening a report often launches it in a new browser tab. While this behavior is useful in some scenarios, it can lead to too many tabs being opened during report navigation, making the browsing experience chaotic. However, you can configure reports to open and render within the same browser tab. This provides a smoother navigation experience, reduces browser clutter, and helps users stay focused on their reporting workflow. In this video, I'll show you how to configure the Bold Reports report server to render multiple reports in the same tab. Let's get started. First, log into your Bold Reports report server. Once you're on the report server, click the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Sites. This takes you to the site administration settings where server-level configurations can be managed. In the left navigation panel, click Settings, and then select Configuration. This opens the configuration page where various report server settings can be modified. From the Files drop-down, select reportingconfig.xml. In the configuration editor, locate the same tab report render property and set it to true. This setting instructs the report server to render reports in the current browser tab instead of opening a new one. After making the change, click Save to apply the configuration. Now you'll need to restart the application. On your home screen, select the search icon and enter IIS to find the IIS Manager. Open it. Open the Connections drop-down for the report server. Select it. Navigate to the Action section and click Restart. Once the restart is complete, go back to the browser. Refresh the page and open a report. As you can see, the report now opens and renders in the same browser tab. Users no longer need to manage multiple browser tabs while working with reports. In this video, I have shown you how to configure the Bold Reports report server to view and render reports in the same tab using the same tab report render setting. This simple configuration change can improve usability and streamline report navigation for your users. To explore more features and start building impactful reporting solutions, visit boldreports.com. You can start a free 30-day trial or schedule a personalized demo with our team. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more Bold Reports tutorials. Thanks for watching.